Hi, I'm Craig Turner with your local Better Business Bureau. I'm the IT Director, and I'm here to talk about how you, the consumer, can utilize our Get a Quote program. First, we're going to discuss 3 ways on how you can access the Get a Quote platform. The first way that we're going to talk about how to access Get a Quote is through the hamburger menu in the top right-hand corner. You click the hamburger menu, and then you can see the Get a Quote platform in our menu. From here, all you have to do is enter the category that you would like to have done, and then the zip code on where you need the work done. When you select Get a Quotes, our system will help find accredited businesses in your area that perform the service that you would need done. The second way that we'll show you how to access Get a Quote is by going back to the BBB.org homepage and accessing our local banners that are across BBB.org. You can see banners across many pages on BBB.org, and always you can just click on Get a Quote. From here, again, all you do is you simply type in the type of service that you need done and the location that you need it done, and our Get a Quote platform will help locate accredited businesses in your area that you would like to have the work done. The third option to submit a Get a Quote is to go back to BBB.org, and you can search and locate a specific business if you wish. Once you locate that company's profile, you'll see the Get a Quote option right here in the bottom left-hand corner. The beautiful thing about this form is that this allows you to be very specific and detailed as you want to tell the business about the specific job that you'd like to have done. Once you locate a specific business and you select Get a Quote, you'll see this form allows you to be as detailed as you want to tell the business about the job you want done. This allows the business to have as much information as possible to give you the best quote possible. Also, you can upload videos and photos to help provide to the business. Another great feature about this form is that you can send this quote to the business that you selected, or it gives you the option to send this quote to more businesses that you're not familiar with or you are unaware of. If you need help locating other businesses, our Get a Quote platform will help you do just that by selecting this second option. Again, this option allows you to locate other accredited businesses in our area that perform the same type of service that you are looking to have done. The benefit of this system is that it can help you locate companies when you are unfamiliar or unaware of other companies in our area. We always encourage our consumers to get more than one quote, and this option helps get that done. Those are the 3 ways to find and utilize our Get a Quote platform. For more consumer resources, please visit us on the web at bbb.org.